Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will do some problems upon simple interest. In previous video I have already discussed about simple interest. So first example is a certain sum of money is put at a certain rate of interest for 4 years. If it had been put for 5% higher rate, it would have fetched rupees 256 more. Find the sum. So we assume principal is free and rate of interest is R% and year is 4 year and the interest is I. If it had been put for 5% higher rate, so principal is same, rate of interest is 5% higher, year is 4, it would have fetched 256 more, so interest will be 256 more. So in 1 year, if the rate of interest is 5% more, so in 4 years, the total rate of interest will be 20% more. So this 20% more is equal to this more interest. So 1% is 256 by 20% and 100% means 256 into 100 by 20. It will be 1280. This will be the sum. So next example is a man invested 1/3 of his capital at 7%, 1/4 of his capital at 8% and remaining at 10% simple interest. If annual income from the interest is 561, then find the capital. First see here, he invested 1/3 of his capital and 1/4. So first what you have to do, find the LCM of this 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4, you will get 12. Now assume the principal is 12 into 100, that is 1200. Now 1/3 of this capital it is 1200 into 1/3. Then 1/4 of this 1200 it is 300 and the remaining is 400 plus 300 is 700. 1200 minus 700 it is 500. So he invested 1/3 of his capital at 7% and 1/4 of his capital at 8% and the remaining at 10%. So 400 into 7%, it is 28. Likewise 300 into 8%, it is 24 and 500 into 10%, it is 50. So these are the interest from each section. So if we add this, so if this is the total interest, capital will be, we assume here 1200. If the interest is 1, then the capital will be this, and we know here the income from interest is 561. So if the interest is 561, then the capital will be, it will be 6600. So this is another example. Rupees 25200 is divided in 3 parts in such a way that interest on first part at the rate of 2% per annum for 3 years is equal to the interest on the second part at the rate 3% per annum for 4 years is equal to the interest on the third part at the rate 4% per annum for 5 years. So find the value of each part. So here we know the total amount, it is 25200. It is divided in 3 parts. So first part, it is 2% per annum for 3 years. Second is 3% per annum for 4 years. And third is 4% per annum for 5 years. So 2% for 3 years, it will be total 6%. 3% for 4 years, it will be 12%. And 4% for 5 years, it is 20%. Just multiply these numbers, okay? So we have to find out the value of each part. The ratio of the 3 part will be 1/6, 1/12, 1/20. Just reciprocal of these numbers. As it is percent here for all these 3, so it will be 6/100. So 100 will be cut out. So the ratio will be 1/3, 1/6, 1/10. As this all are divisible by 2. So the LCM of 3, 6 and 10, it will be 30. So multiply all these ratio with 30. So 30/3 into 30/6 into 30/10. So it will be 10:5:3. So value of first part will be, the total amount is 25200. So into the denominator will be 10 plus 5 plus 3, it will be 18. And the numerator will be, for first one it is 10. For the second one, it will be, denominator will be same, numerator will be this one, and for the third, it will be, denominator will be same and numerator will be 3. So just simplify this, you will get 14,000. It will be 7,000 and it will be 4200. So the value of first is this, second is this and third is this.